What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, hope you're all doing great and welcome back to yet another video on Everdome, or just Dome, that's the name of the token. And I'm saying yet another video, but I actually haven't covered Dome in a very long time. And I on purpose started at this screen because you can see that Dome over the last months has been decreasing a lot. All right, ever since from this top, let's just grab this top, the 20th of July. From there, we've actually dropped down to where we are right now by 78%. From the let's say from the beginning of the year, if we can actually, or from the last time I covered it. All right, maybe that's a nice thing to see. From the last time I covered it, we are down about 96%. All right, so it hasn't been a great investment. Back when it got launched, I think some big trailers launched in April, I think. Back then it was actually, it was quite a hyped up project because it was also affiliated, excuse me, this is not working. It was also affiliated with Meta Hero, which was already a very hyped up metaverse kind of token. And then Everdome actually showed some footage which looked very great. But the thing is that most metaverse projects always have great ideas and great trailers, but they don't deliver a project, and the token is very inflationary. The same is the way for Everdome. Everdome could be a great project in the future, but they have to deliver a project first. If they don't deliver a project until that time, I'm not going to invest in it, obviously. And apart from that, as I said, these tokens are very inflationary. So if you want to check it out, go to everdome.io, check out their light paper, and you can see that a lot of the supply, out of that max supply of 10 billion, a lot is being distributed still because it's still a very new token. And in the first few years after release, they release a lot of tokens into circulation, which is bad for the price, right? So this could be a huge project in the future, but they just have to deliver a project. And until that time, I wouldn't invest in it, and I would suggest you wouldn't too, or you shouldn't too. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say about Everdome as a project. For now, the reason behind this move, I think, is because they have proposed some sort of a some sort of a vote on adding costs to an Astro NFT drop, which is going to decrease the supply. So that's going to decrease the problem we just talked about of that circulating supply that keeps increasing. It's great, but it's not going to eliminate all of that supply we have gotten. All right, so it's great on the short term. Long term, you won't really feel a lot out of it. But yeah, so that's my take on Everdome and everything around it. Let's take a look at the price. The thing right now is the most important thing is we need to close above this 0.21 cents area. That's right, 0.21 cents. If we can actually close above this level right here at 0.21 cents, I'd say it's even all right if we close above not 0.2. Let's say if we close above 0.21 cents, I think we can take that break retest and go up to all the way up to 0.25 cents. I think that's possible. But we need to close above 0.21 cents, and this candle closes in about an hour, so probably 30 minutes from uploading this video. So if we have closed below that 0.21 cents area, then we're probably going to drop down to this level right here at 0.18, take a break retest, and I think we're slowly going to trend back down to 0.16 and 0.15 cents, which I think is also the case if we go up to 0.25 cents, but then it will just take a little bit longer. All right, so I'm not bullish on Everdome yet. Maybe in half a year I will be, but it all depends on the development of the project, in my opinion. All right. So that's my take on Everdome. If you do have any questions or if you want to discuss that, feel free to do so down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.